Another update, captain's log. So I've been trying to take out all the, I've had volcanic rock here around this little garden bed in the center, but I've taken that out because I'm going to be doing this whole place up. I had them all over there as well, so I've stacked them to the side. I've stacked some there and some on the other side. I tried taking out the weed mat that was underneath this rock. I did get quite a bit. I pulled out on all the side, I've pulled out the weed mat, but it's so hard, and with the rain, you know, the rocks like seem heavier, so I've just pulled out a few parts here in the front and I've left it now. I'm going to get more soil, and I think that once I put the soil over here and stack it up, it's going to you know, it's going to be fine because it'll have enough root space to grow. And so you can see another update there, the rocks have been taken out and the hedge is gone now. So I just need to order the soil, and once we put up the soil here, I can mount it up, and I'm going to take out all these plants and all those to reset them. So once the soil comes in, once I get delivery, still have to get rid of the hedge part of it. We got rid of most of it last week, but still some of it to do. And then I will yeah, I'm gonna leave the guava tree, and there's a peach tree as well. I'm gonna leave that, and the rest of the succulents. This jelly bean succulent it's like grows wild, so I'm gonna take that out. I did use up quite a bit of it. I will take these out and keep it aside. So there's my Japanese maple. I have the old man's beard hanging off it, which I will take and keep aside. And there's the second Japanese maple that, well, they are dormant now. All the leaves have fallen out because it's winter. I'm going to take this one out of here and plant it down there by the stairs. So I'll plant that by the stairs, and then I might put that aloe plicatilus over here once I mount it up, because it seems like a good spot in the corner. I still have to decide where to put these plants, but I'll find a space. Right, you can see the haphazard garden. So all of this is going to change and look much neater, and I can put all these plants that are in pots in the ground. I'm going to put that euphorbia in the ground as well. Okay, so one last. I can't wait when I can get started. I think I might go today and get the soil ordered. I just need to have a look at the soil because I need it to be free draining, and then I will put that in. I will keep you updated. Thank you for watching. Bye. Exciting news today. Well, yesterday the soil was delivered, so I haven't had a chance to pick it up, and it was so windy, so we covered it up. But you can see I've ordered sand and normal sand. So this sand is free draining, and I've just mixed it with some normal sand. Well, I have to just mix it up properly again. I didn't open the top, but they delivered it just in 2 loads, so I can start the garden. I'm so excited. So today is going to be a big day, putting soil down, start moving these plants. So stay tuned.